naman tayo saying na justice delayed is justice denied. Katong ginaingon nga justice is only for the elite. I don't think so. Ano lang talaga, you have to understand that the docket of the courts at present are really heavy. Oo. Yun. That's one of the reason. And depende po na usahay sa complainant eh. Kung what we say is although ang complainant na ay abogado, the most interested person is the complainant. Daghang rason kung ano man reschedule or ma-postpone ang hearing. And most of the time, because the complainant himself or herself fails to attend the hearings. Kaya wag nyo i-blame sa court yung mga pagkukulang din ng mga parties. Okay. Di ba? That's very unfair. I'm not just defending the courts because that is where I came from. I'm just stating a fact na ang mga judges are working very hard. And kaya lang there are times na may mga pagkakataon na hindi talaga nila they cannot solve it by themselves. They cannot be more popist than the Pope. Kaya balik tayo doon sa sinabi ko kanina na the most interested person in a case are the complainants or the parties. Kaya if there is any delay, I don't think it's the fault or pagkukulang ng mga courts. Minsan kasi talagang, hindi minsan, I have seen it, na hindi nila inaasikaso yung case nila. Di ba? And they just allow it to be postponed by their hired lawyers. Well, don't blame the courts.